Oh my gosh, this truly is the best cinnamon candy recipe ever. You're going to use a 2-quart saucepan and add your sugar, corn syrup, and water to that. This is going to cook down to what I call a supersaturated solution, a concentrated sugar to water mixture. Have that cinnamon oil and coloring handy for later. All the details are on my website. You might want to check that out for this one. Mix them together and put them on a stove burner and turn that up to medium or medium-high heat. You're going to start heating that up. So put your candy thermometer in there because we're eventually going to get up to 310 degrees and you're going to stir constantly until this dissolves. It kind of foams and then it goes clear, and then you're going to stop stirring at that point. Don't stir it at all because it's doing that super saturating. So let it boil and slowly turn up the heat. And when it finally gets to 310 degrees, you're going to take it off the stove and turn off the heat. And then you're going to stir in the cinnamon oil and the coloring. Now be sure to step back before you stir this because there's fumes that come up and you don't want that to come down into your lungs. So grease your cookie sheet with sides on it and pour that candy mixture onto that as level as possible, and be sure not to touch it. It's really hot, of course. Once it's cool, then you're going to tap it with a spoon. Notice I'm wearing gloves because there's some little shards and some oil. Put some powdered sugar into a gallon freezer bag, add the candy to it, and then give it a gentle toss until it's well covered. And then, oh my gosh, it's so good. I ate that piece, by the way. Best cinnamon candy recipe ever, hands down. I love it. Made it since I was a kid. Come over to Welcome to Nana's and join the fun.